Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel Shells Hearts Art, and today I'll be doing a McCall's pattern haul. So as many of you all know, McCall's website usually has frequent sales, so I decided to take advantage of one of their sales, so I'll get into it right now. And these are patterns from the late spring launch. So yeah, they had released a bunch of patterns for late spring, and I know a lot of you already know, so I just wanted to share with y'all what I got. So what I have first is M7745, and it's this wrap dress pattern with the ruffles, and I think this is just a classic pattern to have in your pattern stash if you're into dresses. So I decided to go ahead and get this because I do like the way it looks. I like the way the dress looks on the model. The ruffles are very pretty and elegant. I also like View C that has the sleeves with the ruffles. So yeah, I think this is just a very classic pattern to have in your pattern stash if you're into dresses. So yeah, I went ahead and got M7745. Next is M7752, and this is just a fun pattern. It's very cute and girly. I really like this view right here with the layered ruffles, and I also like this view. I think this is a more wearable view. It's more everyday, wearable, easygoing, and this is more this is more fancy to me. I guess I would say fancy, type of like a special occasion sort of top if you wanted to dress up a little more than usual. And this one also was cute to me. Yeah, I think my favorite would be the first two views. Next is M7760, and it's just a cardigan slash blouse pattern. And at first I was passing up this pattern. I wasn't really interested in purchasing it because I do have a few blouse and cardigan patterns in my pattern stash, but then I realized that this does have a more unique detail with the buttons on the blouse. I don't know if it's picking up, but there's buttons on the blouse, so I thought that would be cute. And I also think that this view is just such a nice, it's a cute basic to add to your wardrobe if you want something cute to wear but you don't want to take too much time deciding on what to wear. So this is a great cardigan you can just throw on. So I went ahead and got McCall's 7760. Next, this is my favorite out of all the patterns I purchased, McCall's 7742. I think it's just very easy. If you see all the views, it just looks so simple to make. My favorite view would have to be view A right there. And it just looks like a very easy pattern, very easy going, something you can just throw on and walk out the house with. So yeah, that's why I got this pattern, and it looks like it works really well with many different types of fabrics. And it has listed cotton blends, and I do have quite a few cotton blends in my fabric stash, so I do see myself making this one up pretty soon. Hopefully soon, but we'll see. Next is M7708, and this is just a pattern for a little girl. I think this pattern is too cute. I have a few young girls in my family, like relatives, so I think this would be cute to make for like my cousins and whatnot, or just any little girl who wants a top. It would suit them so well. So I went ahead and got this pattern. I think it is so cute, and it also works well with cotton blends. And like I said, I have quite a few cotton blends in my pattern stash, so that's why I got it. But it's just basically a cute little blouse for a girl. And I saw McCall's pattern that's similar to this in the adult version, so I think that would be cute as well. But yeah, I can see myself making this for some of my little cousins, so that's why I went ahead and got it. Next is McCall's 7750. This pattern looks it's very much my style because I am very simple when it comes to everyday wear. I just like to wear something that's light and easy breezy. However, I did not know that this pattern had an invisible zipper, so that makes it a little more complicated. But I still like the overall look of it. I really love this view. This is view C. And it just looks very simple to wear. I like that. And I also like this view, but my favorite is view C. And as you can see, the other two views here, this has a ribbon detail on it, and then this one also has a ribbon detail, so those are cute as well. Next is McCall's M7746. My mom actually liked this pattern, so that was one of the reasons I got it, but I think it is very cute. It's more elegant, more up, I keep saying up, but it's more fancy, special occasion, something if you want to dress up for. This is something that you could wear, but I can see it being very office friendly too if you work in an office with view A and view D and view C even. So yeah, I just think that this is very cute, so went ahead and got it. Why not? Next is McCall's M7757. Now this was a very popular pattern on the website. It was actually sold out when I was looking at it, so I had to be notified, but I think this is a very cute pattern for the beach. If you're going on vacation, this is something cute to wear to a beach. However, if I make it, I'd probably raise the waistband on the pants. I'll raise it a little higher. And I also think that I'd probably do view A as opposed to view B, but I still think it's a cute pattern, very fun for the beach, very beach friendly. So yeah. And those are all my patterns from McCall's. I just wanted to share with you all my McCall's pattern haul. I thought it'd be fun to talk about. So yeah, if you all have anything from if you all got the same things that I got, feel free to share it in the comments. I'd be interested to know what patterns you all got. If you got anything, if you didn't get anything, I love to read about it in the comments. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. Instagram shows hearts art. Bye bye. Have a nice day.